In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board on Trello. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes so you can collaborate with your team seamlessly. Let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Trello's website. Once you're there, look for the login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll need to log into your Trello account. Trello offers several ways to sign in, so if you prefer, you can click on the option to log in with Google. If you choose this method, simply select your Google account from the list provided. This can be a real time saver if you're juggling multiple platforms and wish to keep things synced up. Once you're logged in, now it's time to go to the specific board you want to share. So navigate over to your boards by clicking on your Boards tab, usually found on the home screen. Locate the board you'd like to share. Now let's assume you're there. Your screen should display all the lists and the respective tasks or cards associated with them. We're aiming for the top right corner of your board's interface now. Look up there and you should spot a share button. Click on it to open up a new set of options. This menu is your gateway to sharing your board with others, allowing for better teamwork and collaborative work processes. A straightforward way to share is by creating a link. You will see an option named Create Link. Clicking this will generate a unique link connected to your board. Hit that button and like magic a link appears. Now let's go ahead and copy this link. You can do this by clicking the option that says something like copy link which should be conveniently located next to the generated link. Here's an extra tip that could come in handy. Before sending out this link, you might want to consider adjusting the permissions of the link itself. To manage who can view or edit the board via this link, look for the permission settings. Depending on your needs, you might want to give edit access to your team members or limit it to viewing only so everyone stays aligned with their roles and responsibilities. There you have it, your board is now shareable with anyone you send this link to. Just paste it into an email, a chat, or whatever communication method you're using, and let the collaboration flow. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your project management stays efficient and effective across all your team members. That wraps up this Trello tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for sharing your boards. Make sure to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials, and until next time, happy Trelloing.